Students, in this chapter Agriculture, today we will do a case study. We are going to do a comparative study of a farm in India and a farm in United States of America. He is Murari Lal, and Murari Lal is a farmer. He stays with his family in a small village called Sultanpur in India. He is Peter, and Peter is a farmer in the United States of America. Murari Lal owns a small piece of land of around 1.5 hectares. On the other hand, due to the availability of space and rates of land, subsidy by the government, etc., the average size of farms in America is much larger than in India. So, Peter has a farm which is around 200 hectares. Murari Lal needs to cycle to his farm every day as it is far from his house. On the other hand, Peter, like other farmers, he stays on his farm with his family. Peter has knowledge about computers and uses the internet to get detailed information about the weather forecast of any storms in case any emergency occurs. He is well informed about the latest technologies and knows how to take care of the soil and keep pests away. He ensures that the soil in his farm is fertile by regularly sending the soil to the testing laboratory to check its quality. Whereas Murari Lal takes advice from his friends and elders regarding farming. Peter uses agricultural machines like tractors, seed drillers, levelers, combined harvester, and threshers to perform various activities in his farm. Murari Lal decides to rent a tractor to plow his seeds. This saves him the hard labor of plowing his farm using bullocks as he had done in the past. It also saves him a lot of time. Murari Lal uses the method of traditional farming and the use of machine is limited. Murari Lal depends on the monsoon to water his fields. Peter has an automated grain storage area which allows him to store all his produce. He studies the market conditions and rates and sells the harvest only when the market is favorable. He does not have to bear a loss since he sells his produce only at a profit when the market conditions are right. Whereas Murari Lal stores the dried fruit grains at home in metal bins and jute bags. He uses dried neem leaves for storing food grains at home. Then he sells his grain to the government agency like Food Corporation of India at minimum support price. Peter does digital farming. So students, after the case study of Murari Lal, who has a farm in India, and Peter, who has a farm in USA, answer the following questions based on it. Question number 1. Which of the two farmers makes maximum use of tools and technology for farming? Question number 2. What type of farming is practiced by Murari Lal? Is he doing a primitive or intensive farming? And how do you think Murari Lal earns his living? Question number 3. What type of farming is practiced by Peter. Students, can you suggest how Murari Lal can adopt scientific methods to increase the yield on his farms? Students, can you tell what kind of activities and movements is the government initiating to promote agriculture in India? Thank you for watching the video.